In a recent development, media personality Nedu Emmanuel, also known as Nedu Wazobia, has sued Martins Vincent Otse, popularly known as VeryDarkMan, for 500 million naira for defamatory comments. Recall that a few days ago, VeryDarkMan made some remarks and also accused Nedu of sleeping with women in exchange for helping them gain fame using his platform. However, VeryDarkMan disclosed he got the information from Lance Miraj and Ash Musi, having a threesome with rich men in exchange for money through a conversation with Nedu some time back.
Alright, so the legal team of Nedu, they don't send me letter. So it be like, say, we go soon go court. Now, let me read the letter. So I got this message by 12 minutes after 11. That the message says, I am the legal representation of Mr. Nedu and Talking Drums. This is a pre-action notice for the defamatory statements Martins Vincent Otse, popularly known as VDM, has made against them. So as you can see, this is the letter. It says pre-action notice on your defamatory publication against Nedu Emmanuel, popularly known as Nedu. So the thing along this. So basically, we go soon go court.
The activist further revealed that Nedu badmouthed many female celebrities and spilled some secrets about them during their conversation. Among the allegations, VeryDarkMan also shared a 12-minute video on his YouTube page titled How Nedu Diverted NGO Scholarship Meant for Nigerians. The legal representatives of Nedu and Talking Drums Picture and Media Limited have disclosed that the video released by VeryDarkMan contains numerous defamatory statements, false and disparaging claims directed at their clients. The lawyers clarified that Nedu is not the owner of Talking Drums, but rather a talent associated with the brand. However, they requested that VeryDarkMan remove all videos featuring Nedu from his platform within 24 hours of receiving the notice, issue a public apology, and compensate Nedu with 500 million naira for the harm inflicted on his reputation. While this has generated reactions online, we'll continue to monitor the story for more new development. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.